That neighbor.
Neighbor!
Dude, I held.
Ah, you hit me.
I held. Hit me. I'm so that crazy. I was gonna set you up.
Dude, I'm just, yeah, I don't know why, because like, I'm just afraid you're gonna get me out when you're my neighbor. I'm just.
1, 2.
I tried.
Yeah, dame. Dame.
Caught it? Yeah.
So means he's out.
Yeah.
We're doing neighbors now, yeah?
Neighbors. 1, 2.
Oh, I would have had that.
We're doing vultures? I say vultures are open this round.
Yeah.
1, 2.
No ball control.
It's coming, Johnny.
That was it.
Over here, Johnny.
I can't get the balance off.
Oh, yeah.